tini kaisa belai khana wana masinja news nukha borom nangjuk patal kuina jomotia chung joton sinio borom nangjuk patal kuina jomotia no tamike bo asuk jora romoi kaisa ge tongmani phiaba paithak ni jora sopai kha tinio ke bo kaisa kha bini selang angke Rajasthani BP Meena noi khoroksa chela bobai tini kaisa kha asuk bono bui kada kaijang no kaisa gyade kaisa lehni bo baksa sai tongmani phiaba paithago ke bo tini kaisa kha patal kuina jomatia tei bini kaile bari wasung phunaka tini obohai kuno ni mang sotok ban kun charia sudu neramis baisimi tini o bo maisar nai ni sai kana ni ka padi kissa video jong nai le no.
To stand here today and welcome you all.
Okay. Bye.
It is an absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this occasion, to this beautiful occasion. We are gathered here to celebrate the love and union of Miss P.K. Jamatia and Grom South BP Meena. Two incredible souls who have found their forever in each other. Marriage is not just about finding right person, it's all about loving and cherishing them every single day. Today, as they exchange both
Bye.
let us all be
Kuliah.
and that's the beginning of their lifelong journey. So let's fill this place with joy, love, and celebration. As we watch these two become one, let the ceremony begin. Thank you, Dr. Hambai.
Và thấy cái đó bị bài. Ngon đúng quá.
Extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Your presence here today means the world to them. And it's some of you have traveled from near and far. And we truly appreciate the effort you have made to be here. Weddings are not just about two people